Hello friends, my name is Masood. Today we shall discuss about topic the project execution. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in project management or you are planning to give exam or PMP in near future. So project execution is basically a phase in the project management. Like once we completed all the planning for the project, we start the project execution. Project execution means that in actual project execution or project execution will start. Like it's like a building a house after you have designed it and gathered all the materials. So this is where the actual work gets done to achieve the project's goal. So actually in actual project execution, this will be started here. So the key elements of the project execution, first one is the implementation of the plan. Like whatever the plan you have decided for the execution of the project, so according to the plan the project execution will start. So this is where the team puts the project plan into action. For example, if you are building a website, so this is where developers start coding according to the design specification. Then resource management means that you have to make sure that the right people, equipment and materials are available and utilized effectively. For instance, for example, in a construction project, it involves managing workers, machinery and building materials accordingly. Then the next is the time management. Time management means that whatever the time which you have decided as per the plan, you have to ensure that the deadlines and the milestones are achieving according to the schedule. For example, if you are organizing an event, for example, so you need to ensure that tasks like booking a venue or hiring performers happen according to the timeline decided in the project plan. Then quality control means monitoring and maintaining the quality of work throughout the project. We have to ensure that whatever the quality was decided in the scope of work, it should have to be provided. Like in manufacturing, this could mean that regularly inspecting products to ensure they meet quality standards. Communication means effective communication within the team and with the stakeholder is very critical and important. Like everyone should have to know that what are their roles, responsibilities, and if there are any changes coming in the scope or in the project plan, it should have to be communicated properly to all stakeholders. Then risk management means that whenever we are implementing any project, we must have to ensure that whatever the risks are expected, like any unexpected thing, any gray area, it should have to be properly identified and mitigated. Like for example, if you are launching a new product, you need to anticipate and mitigate risk like production delays or market competition. For example, you are expecting something within a month, so what will happen if that thing not received within a month? So what you will do in that case? So you must have to mitigate all the risk. Now we can talk about the examples of the project execution. First one is the construction of a project. For example, you are building a house. So during the project execution, the contractors start laying the foundation, erecting walls, installing plumbing and electrical systems, and finishing with paint and furnishing. So all these are the example of project execution. Then a software development project, if we talk about, like for example, you are building a mobile app in the Android, for example. So that means the coders or developers will coding the mobile app. They are designing the user interface, integrating features, testing and finalizing the launching it on the app stores like Android App Store or the Apple App Store. Then marketing campaign is another example. For example, you are running a marketing campaign for a new product. During execution, you create a distributed advertisements, engaging with customers on social media like Twitter, YouTube, monitor campaign performance and adjust strategies as needed. Event planning means that you are organizing a conference, for example, on mobile commerce, for example. So that means execution involve booking the venue, coordinating with the speakers, arranging the catering and audio visual equipment, managing registrations for the people who will come and join, and ensuring everything runs smoothly on the day of the event. So in a sense, project execution is about turning plans into reality through effective management, coordination and communication, while keeping a close eye on quality, time and resources.